Okay, this is a tutorial on how to create categories and optimize them in WordPress. And on the right here, we have a list of keyword phrases that were created by the customer. And over here, this is my first example of a meta description, a custom meta description that I used in the site. Um, and so that's been applied in a generic way, but now we need a specific one for categories. And so the first category, I'm going to delete this extra phrase here. Um, I want to add to it a geographic modifier. And so this is going to become the root category. By default, WordPress has a default category called uncategorized, and in it appears, the single first blog post called Hello World. This needs to be edited from the beginning so that a site does not go live with this category uncategorized in it. That's like a sign of an amateur, and you want the root category to always be their most important keyword. In this case, the keyword phrase commercial real estate broker, Orange County, California. So we're going to edit it, open it, and paste it here. And then we're going to type in the slug, commercial real estate broker, Orange County, California. Then I'm going to use my meta description that I already created here and paste it in here. And so there I have created the first one. As a matter of fact, I could even add the Liberty logo here if I wanted. Let's see. I'm just going to search for a useful Liberty logo. Well, there isn't really one. I'll just use the little flame thing for now. That's really small. Okay, insert it, and then we'll make it wrap to the right. And that's pretty much done. And so you can see here that this is going to be the heading. We don't really want that as a heading because it has the word archives in it, which is unnecessary. And so we should go to edit snippet here, and we should use that instead because it is more specific to our client. Takes out the word archive, adds in their company name, and we can, these things look like they're there, but they're not really there. That's like a default, it's pulling it in. So now we can close Snippet Editor and click Update. And the root category is now completed. And so we can move on to the next one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this extra type here, apartment broker. This is their next most important keyword term. I'm going to create a new category. You can't do it from there. So I'll go back here to categories, create a new category, paste this in, apartment broker. I'm going to type in now apartment broker, Orange County, California. I'm going to paste in my old meta description, but now I'm going to change it for this specific one. So I'm going to remove a commercial real estate broker, and I'm going to put in apartment broker, and I'm going to click add new category, and there it is. Okay, so I can work my way down through this list. I think that multifamily, this is not fleshed out enough to be actually useful for SEO. So I'm going to put a hyphen next to it, and I'm going to do a little bit of research. Open a new window. I'm going to type in multifamily, and then I'm going to make a value judgment here that multifamily real estate is real estate for sale is probably the most appropriate for what they're doing here. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go into a text document. I'm going to paste it, select all, do a text change case to capitalize words. I'm going to cut it out of this document. I'm going to create a new category, and I'm going to paste in the old one that was not capitalized. I'm going to add my own hyphens. So now the slug is optimized. I'm going to paste in my old original thing, and then I'm going to replace this with looking for multifamily real estate for sale, and I've added the new category. Okay, so if you could complete those, that would be great.